Hi my little fairies, I hope you guys are having an amazing abundant day. So in today's video we finna do this peach makeup fairy tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the video and look like abundant little fairies. Let's get into it.
Then I miss you again. Selfish.
So let's hop right into the video. Right now I'm using Milk Makeup's Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I freaking love it, y'all. It made my foundation and my whole base look so good. Of course I paired it with the Hydro Grip Primer, baby, because they come in, they are partners. They partners in crime. You gotta use them together. So that's what I did here. And as you can see, it made my base even more shinier than it already is. You know I love a hydrated base, a very glowy base. Like, I'm not a matte bitch, that's not my life. I don't really live it like that. So you know, I put it on, and then I put on this lip gloss because my lips were chapped. It was not giving. And I'm trying this new Fenty hydrating foundation. It's new to me, and my first impressions are I am in love with her. I never known a woman so amazing. She has lead me to the light of power and grace and respectability. She did that, just period point blank, because look how good it matches me. Look how good, y'all. This is the first time that a foundation has matches me effortlessly, like the very first time. And I am so freaking happy. I freaking love it. Not only is it super hydrating, it looks like my skin, so it kind of just looks like I ain't even put on foundation. That's the kicker. That's the kicker. That's the kicker. So like, I really freaking love it. If you're wondering if you should try this, definitely try it. I loved it. Once again, had to tell you. So now let's get into what. See, look, that's my it matches dance. That's what that is. That's my it matches dance. So then I'm using my favorite, what's this, concealer, and it's the you know what, everything is gonna be up on the screen. I'm gonna let you know what it is. I highly recommend this for people who are dry skinned. It's super hydrating, and it doesn't give that very dry look it normally does with like other concealers. I really want to try the Shape Tape, but I heard it's matte, and ain't no way, nothing matte touching this face. Hello. But as you can see, I am blending it out, and yeah, baby, just sit here, blend it out, and then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. HD powder. That powder, I've been using it for years. I really love it. It's very lightweight for those who don't really like a lot of powder on their skin, so they can keep your foundation looking hydrated. And that's how I look really glowy. I never ever set my foundation. That's just me personally. I always set my concealer though, so it doesn't crease. But my foundation, we don't set her. So that's a little tip if you want to keep that hydration going. Then I'm using the ColourPop's Baby Got Peach palette for this peach look. Of course, this is a fairy peach tutorial. I'm going to put the shades up on the screen so you know exactly what shades I used. I really like this palette. I always love their shimmery pigments. They are always super pigmented, so I love using those pigments on my eyes. I love their glitters as well. So if you get anything from ColourPop, get their shimmers, their glitters, their cream gel liner. That's what I'm going to be using later on at the video. And what their mascara, their yellow mascara wand. Oh my god, that is like the perfect wand for your bottom lashes, because it makes them super freaking long and super freaking cute. But yeah, as you can see, I'm making like a crescent, like a half circle. Very much giving Pac-Man, And at the bottom, I'm using this matte shade. I'm gonna put it up on the screen as well. And then this other shimmer shade just to lighten up the color, to bring it back on the peach side, because when I was looking at it, it was giving very much hot pink, and that's not what I was going for, okay? I'm not a hot pink. Am I a hot pink type of bitch? Let me know in the comments, okay? Let me know, y'all. But yeah, so now I'm taking my NYX liner, and with this liner, I'm gonna make little dots along my eyes to make it look like it's a butterfly. I'll always do this. It just adds something so amazing to the look, and it's super freaking simple to do. So I mean, like, okay, it just transforms the look. It's their Vivid Brights line. I love all their Vivid Brights liners. I'm going to do looks with all of them, but this is the white one, and I'm pretty sure it's called, I don't know, on the screen. Like I said, y'all already know. So make sure to do it in a half circle type vibe, and make sure it like complements your eye shape. So I'm doing it in a way it complements my eye shape and kind of makes it look cohesive and gorgeous, because that's that look I'm going for, gorgeous and cohesive. Next, I'm using the Exit Gel Cream Liner. Like I said, I freaking love this for my waterline because it's super pigmented. It looks super white and it doesn't really irritate my eyes. Then I'm using my favorite mascara in the world. I love this mascara, y'all. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I used to use this a lot in high school, but then I got off of it. But then I just got back on it and I just remembered how powerful it is. It makes my lashes super freaking long, like beyond long. And it separates them so good. So here I'm just bronzing up my face, and then I'm using my favorite lashes from the beauty supply store. Guys, all my lashes are always from the beauty supply store. It's the Broadway number 7 and number 4. I always use those lashes. I can't find them online, unfortunately, but go to your local beauty supply store. You'll find it. And it's in a blue box. It should say 5D or 3D, and you got your lashes. By the way, if you guys can hear the rain in the background, is it soothing? Do you like it? It's really soothing out here. It's super cold though, but it is raining and it looks super freaking gorgeous. Oh, I'm also bronzing up my nose. I never contour it. I just bronze it up a little bit. This is contouring, but I do it with the bronzer. But you know, make it a little bit more snatched, even though I like how it looks already. Then we are going to cut this out. Girl, go to the next scene. Help me out here. Boom. Now we got the blush. So I use a blush from a Morphe palette. It's not really a blush. It's an eyeshadow, and it's like a red, warm color. I'm going to put the name up on the screen. But yeah, I really like this eyeshadow color for blush when I need like a warm blush color, like a warm red. I definitely need to get like an actual blush for my warm red color. Like, I need it. Oh, I ain't even told y'all the fucking highlighter, y'all. This is by Makeup Revolution. I really like this highlighter. It's super freaking pigmented. It's very nice and fine. Like, I love it. It makes my cheeks look super cute. And my nose as well. Very much beaming. Very much beaming. So after I highlight, I am putting on my lashes. And after I put on my lashes, I'm pretty sure I put on my glitter because I needed to, you know, get this train rolling. Hello? Because I was ready to get done. I mean, I look good, but I was ready to get done. Oh yeah, I sprayed one more time all over the foundation just to set it, and it just made my foundation look even freaking better. So make sure you spray this spray on before and after you finish your makeup, y'all. It's gonna look so good. That little sparkle that I put on my face, I can't disclose it just yet, but if I can, it'll be up on the screen and in the description box below. But if not, I'm excited to tell you guys about it. Hello. But this here, I am putting on the butterfly nail art. You guys are always asking where I get this glitter from. I get them from Amazon. It's just the nail art glitters you'll find for like acrylics. And I just stick them onto my face with some Duo Lash Glue. I only do it for the top, like my eyebrows and my eyes. But for my cheeks, I let it stick onto my makeup. Now, it will fall off if you don't put no glitter on it. So if you want to have it stay on all day for like an actual look, put some Duo Lash Glue and it'll stay, period. It ain't moving, baby. Like, it ain't going nowhere. But now I'm just lining my lips with Wet n Wild's brown lip liner. Like I said, the name will be up on the screen, and then I'm going to be putting on some lip oil from ColourPop. It's my favorite lip oil, like my lip product right now. Like, I have not used anything other than these lip oils. I highly, highly, highly recommend these lip oils, guys. For those who don't like that sticky feeling when it comes to gloss, this will give you that nice, beautiful shine without that sticky feeling at all. It feels like nothing on your lips, and I freaking love it. Like, look how good I look. Tune in. Yeah, I hope you guys like this, how this lip gloss look. I really love this lip oil. It's probably one of my favorite releases from ColourPop thus far. Like, it looks so freaking good. But yeah, guys, this is it for the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed the process and how it came out. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. Let me know down below what other videos that you would like to see from me, such as fashion, makeup, spirituality, all that good shit. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, abundant, joyful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you Friday. Mwah.